Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up tutorial. So I have a really cute card to share with you guys today featuring the Sunny Splash stamp set. So this set is from our new annual catalog. And when I saw this set, I had to have it. I just love these bathing suits and they had kind of a vintage feel to them. I just thought this set was so fun. So I could not wait to create some projects with this set. Before we get started, I do want to share some news with you for those of you that like Malachi updates. So he actually started school on Monday. He's going to Montessori school, which I'm so excited about. I just felt like it was perfect for him. So anyways, he started on Monday. I cannot believe he is in school. It feels crazy. I feel like time is going by so fast. And this is my first time to film just freely. I have since having him. So like I have my door open. I can talk as loud as I want to. I can make as much noise as I want to. It won't wake him up during his nap because he's not even here. It just feels so weird to have like flexibility back in the day. It's really strange. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll put in one or two pictures from this week, from his first week of school. So anyways, I'm so excited for him. He is absolutely loving it. His teachers are amazing. The school itself is amazing. I can't even tell you how many schools we looked at. I lost count. It was just so many, and none of them just seemed like the right fit for him. But yeah, so I'm just so happy with the school that we did end up choosing, and I just can't believe he's in school. It's so crazy. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into today's tutorial. Okay, so I am going to start by doing my die cutting, I think. Yeah. So, you know, I got my mini machine. I love this machine. I mean, I use it every time I die cut. It's the only time I take out my big Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine is if I'm die cutting for my card kits or for a class or something, then I'll use that one. But I mean, for my day-to-day crafting, I use this for all of my die cutting. I probably need to change this plate out, but let's go ahead and use it anyway. So I've got some basic black cardstock, and then I'm using some of the layering circle dies. So I'm just gonna die cut this scalloped circle out. So I've got plate number one, a cutting plate, and then another cutting plate on top. And we'll just run this through. Okay, and then let me just go ahead and grab my basic white. Again, I've got one of the layering circle dies. This is just a plain circle. Just quickly run that through. Alrighty, and I've got one of our new ink colors. This is the Sweet Sorbet ink. I don't really know how to describe this color. Let's see, so this is Poppy Parade, so you can see it's lighter than Poppy Parade. And then this is Melon Mambo. It's I don't feel like it has any pink to it. Let's see, this is Calypso Coral. I don't know how to describe this color. I don't know how to describe it, but it's pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna stamp my little bathing suit, and you have so many bathing suit options in that set. I just love it. I'm gonna stamp that right here. And all of the product that you see me using today, I've got it all linked and listed down below in the video description and over on today's coordinating blog post, so you can get to it straight away. Okay, and I'm actually going to go ahead and pop a few dimensionals on the back of this. Then I'm going to put it onto my, oh, I cannot see that with that with my black desk. There we go. I'm just gonna pop it onto my scalloped circle. Center it on there. I hope I've got that centered. Yeah, it looks good. And then a few more dimensionals on the back of this. And actually, I'll just use some edge pieces because I don't want to open a new sheet of dimensionals right now. Come on. Okay, there we go. So I'll just set that to the side for now. Okay, so for my card base, I have got crushed curry cardstock. So this is cut 4 1/4 inches by 11 inches, and I've scored it at 5 1/2 inches. So this makes a vertical folding card, my favorite kind. So you open it like so. You could always turn it that way as well. I rarely do this, but you could. But there you go, my favorite way to create cards. Then I have got, for my layers, I've got basic white cardstock. This is cut 3 3/4 inches by 5 inches. And then I'm going to layer on this piece of basic black, which is just 1/8 of an inch less on all 4 sides. So you get this really thin border of that white. So this piece is cut, oh, you know what? I could have cut my circle out of that. Anyways, so this basic black, this is cut 3 5/8 of an inch by 4 7/8 of an inch. And then on top of that, I have got some of this designer paper. This is from the Tea Boutique 6x6 designer series paper. So this is cut 3 1/2 by 4 3/4 inches. Do not worry. I have all of these measurements over on the blog post, linked down below in the video description. So it's all listed there for you. And I'm just gonna layer all of this together using my liquid glue, because when I have these teeny tiny borders, I just feel like it's easier to make sure I get everything lined up if I use my liquid glue, because I can kind of move it around. Okie dokie. There we go. Okay, and then this piece. I hope everyone is having an amazing summer. It is so hot here. It's been like 104, 105, 95 and up pretty much every single day. This Texas heat is no joke. Oh my gosh, so hot. Okay. And you know what? I just realized I should have probably stamped before I put all of that together. But that's okay. We're gonna go for it. So I've got my Stays On Jet Black ink, and I am going to stamp the sentiment that says, "Hello, sunshine," and I'm stamping directly onto my designer paper. And I chose Stays On instead of Memento because it is just the blackest black. And when I'm gonna stamp on cardstock or designer paper, I really do prefer to use Stays On. I just feel like it's a crisper black. Okay, right about there. And hopefully I got it. There we go. That'll do. Okay. Now I'll just add some liquid glue onto the back of this layer and pop that carefully onto the front of my card. Hello, sunshine. All right. And now we can add our little bathing suit. Whoop. I cut my nails yesterday and polished them, and so they're like so short and difficult to use, but yes, I do my nails myself now. Saves money, and it's just easier. Okay. Right there, we'll put the bathing suit, so cute. And then I'm gonna finish it up with these classic matte dots. I love these. You get, I don't know if, well, you get basic black, you get white, you get this I'm assuming this is vanilla, and then I'm assuming this is basic gray. So I am going to use the white. So I'm just gonna do a large one right about there, and then I'll grab a small one, and then another small one to go just right there should do. Okay, and there you have it, you guys. That finishes up today's tutorial. I absolutely love this card. I think it's so cute. I can't wait to stamp and create some projects with the other bathing suits in that set. So such a fun set. And of course, I created a matching envelope and just stamped my bathing suit on the front. And I added this really cute polka dot pattern to my envelope flap. And this is from the Perfectly Penciled Designer Series paper, which is in the new annual catalog. Some really fun black and white patterns in there. So there it is, you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. And again, don't forget, you can find all of the measurements and all of the supplies for today's project linked and listed down below in the video description and over on today's coordinating blog post, which is down below as well. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll speak to you all very soon. Bye now.